Okay, Mr. Gautam, start your presentation.
Hello everyone, good morning. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Gautam Kumar. I study in class 9th. I am a student. I am 14-year-old. My habits are reading books and learning something new or special. I live in Kuala. Today I tell you about personal pronoun. A personal pronoun are a word that takes place of a noun uh, and shows who are being talked about. Personal pronoun. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Possessive pronoun. My, mine, our, ours, you, yours, their, theirs, his, her, hers, it. Objective pronoun. Me, us, you, them, him, her, it. For example, this is marker mine. This is my marker. This copy is hers. He, Sarah has got mark than me. Thank you.
Very good, fantastic. Very good clapping for him. Very good. Very good.